Hey everyone, Lex over here, and I got a quick tip for you about lockboxes, alright? So this is a new thing I actually heard about first in my mastermind. This is a company called Rently, and they got these awesome lockboxes which cost around $30 a month per lockbox. But what they do is they work with your smartphone, so you can go and you can put signs like this on your properties, and then people can download an app on their smartphone and get access to your property. And the beautiful thing about it is now you know who's accessing your property. So on a regular lockbox, you can't tell when you give a code out if somebody accesses it or not. On Supra, you can tell if you have a Supra lockbox, but the problem with Supra is you can only give it to realtors. So if you're a listing agent and you have a property that's located not too close to you and you want to show that property to someone, then using one of these Rently lockboxes enables you to set up an appointment where instead of having a buyer's agent go to the property, you can talk directly to a buyer and have them go to the property, and you can represent the buyer and the seller. So instead of picking up 3%, you can pick up 6%. So on, let's say, a $150,000 house, it's an extra $4,500 for a $30 a month lockbox. It's also got a lot of other useful features. Let's say you want to sell a property rent to own. You can put one of these on, you screen people. They have to download the app. They have to put a credit card in. And so when you're giving them access to your property, you have their info. You know who they are. They can't steal anything. Compare that to the old-fashioned system of putting lockboxes and giving a 4-digit code where anybody could access it, anyone can share it with anyone else, right? So this is a lot more secure for your properties, and it also works really well with your rentals. That's why it's called Rently, because if you're a landlord or a property manager, you got a lot of properties out there, this is a lifesaver. Highly recommended. Check it out, and you can find out more on their site at rently.com.